Control number 29626, please introduce yourself.
Good day, sir and ma'am. I'm Jean Federico, 23 years old, single. I have 3 brothers and 2 sisters. I'm the eldest in the family.
Okay, so what is your educational attainment?
I finished nursing. I finished vocational course nursing aid at the Data Center College of the Philippines.
Okay, so have you been to any country before as an OFW?
No, ma'am.
How about here in the Philippines?
Yes, ma'am. I take care of 1 year old child
In what place?
in Baguio.
For how many years did you work as a domestic helper?
I work as 2 years.
Okay, so why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong to earn money to help my family.
Okay, so do you have an experience in taking care of an old person?
No, ma'am, but I'm willing to learn.
So what do you think you can do for an elderly? Do you think you can take them a bath like that?
Yes, ma'am. I think it's
So aside from that, what can you do for them?
changing diaper, helping to put him or her in the wheelchair.
Okay, so do you have an experience in taking care of newly born babies and children?
Yes, ma'am. 1 year old.
Okay, so what did you do for her?
I'm feeding. I feed him in bottle and taking bath.
How about changing clothes?
Yes, ma'am.
So how about for children? What can you do for children? Aside from feeding them, can you also play with them?
Yes, ma'am.
So what if the children is crying? What will you do?
I will.
Will you comfort him or her?
Yes, ma'am. I will comfort him.
Tutor them sometimes?
Yes, ma'am.
So aside from your daily household works, what other special skills can you do inside the house?
I do sewing.
What else? Can you cook?
Car washing. Yes, ma'am.
So what foreign dishes can you cook?
Italian, ma'am.
Italian dishes like?
Spaghetti, ma'am.
And pasta dishes?
Yes.
So how about Chinese dishes? Are you willing to cook the Chinese dishes?
Yes, ma'am. I'm willing to learn.
Okay, so describe yourself as a housemaid. What are your characteristics?
Honest.
Honest. What else?
Patient.
Honest, patient, and are you a hardworking person?
Yes, ma'am.
So during misunderstanding with your employer, what do you do?
If it is my fault, ma'am, I will say sorry.
Okay. So describe your past relationship with your employer. How did they treat you?
You treat me as a member of the family.
Okay, to sum it up, you said that you are 23 years old, you are single, you finish your vocational course as a nursing aide, you have 3 brothers and 2 sisters, and you are the eldest in the family. And you want to work in Hong Kong to support the needs of your family. And aside from that, you also have an experience in taking care of an old person. You are willing to take care of them. You can take them a bath, transfer them from bed to wheelchair. And for babies, since you took care of a 1-year-old child, you can take them a bath, change the clothes. And for children, you can send them to school and tutor them sometimes. You can cook Italian dishes like pasta dishes, and you are willing to cook the Chinese dishes. As a housemaid, you are honest, patient, and hardworking. You also have a good relationship with your past employer. So what now is your message to your future employer?
Ma'am, sir, I'm willing